Okay, let's look at this question. The empirical formula of oxide of nitrogen containing 30.4% of nitrogen is, the compound is an oxide of nitrogen. That means the compound contains nitrogen and the oxygen, is it not? Then the percentage of nitrogen is 30.4. What will be the percentage of oxygen? Percentage is expressed in 100. So if this one is 30, if nitrogen is 30.4, oxygen will be 69.6, right? That is 100 minus 30.4. In expressing empirical formula of a compound, you divide by the atomic masses of the elements. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? 14. What is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So 30.4 divided by 14 is 2.17 is to 69.6. 69.6 divided by 60, 4.35. So since empirical formula expresses the smallest ratio of the atoms present, you divide by the smallest value of this value, 2.17 is the smallest value. This divide, you have 1 is to, this divide is 2.0 something, which is approximately 2. So therefore, the empirical formula is NO2, which is NO2, right? So that is C is the answer.